So let's look at our next problem, Natalia. So what does this problem say?
2/3 plus 1/5
Equals good. So we have to figure out what 2/3 plus 1/5 is. Alright, so what is the first thing we're going to do?
We're going to model the fractions.
Alright, how do we do that?
We get the counters and we take 2 red ones and 1 yellow one.
Alright, so 2 red and 1 yellow. And what fraction does this represent?
2/3.
2/3. Alright, so there are 3 total pieces, right?
Yes.
And 2 are represented?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Alright, how do we represent the next fraction?
We take 5 counters and have 1 red one.
1 red one. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn 1 over to red?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Alright, so we have both fractions modeled, and what's the next thing what we do?
We find the multiples of the denominators.
Alright, how do we do that?
We take
So what's the denominator of the first fraction?
3.
3. Alright, so let's write it on your chart. 3. Alright. So how do we find the multiples of 3? Are we going to add or multiply?
Multiply.
Multiply, awesome. So what is 3 times 1?
3.
3, can you write it? 3 times 2?
6.
Good. 3 times 3?
9.
3 times 4?
12.
And 3 times 5.
2.
Awesome, good job. And what is the other denominator we have to find the multiples of?
5.
5, good. Awesome, so what's 5 times 1?
5.
Good.
10.
Good. Awesome, good job. Alright, so now that we found the multiples, what do we do?
We find the one that's common in both.
Good, so we find the least common, lowest common denominator. Alright, so which number in both of those sets do they have in common?
15.
15, good. So let's circle the 15s. Alright, so now we need to figure out how many sets of each fraction, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's see. How many times do we have to multiply 3? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, so we have 5 sets of the 2/3, and let's figure out how many sets of the 1/5 we have. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Good. How many sets of the 1/5?
5. I mean, 3.
3. Good. Alright, so let's make our sets of 2/3 first. So how many sets of the 2/3 are we going to make?
We are going to make 5.
5 sets. Good. So we already have 1 set. How many more sets do we need?
4.
4. Alright. So can you make those sets for me?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, good job. Alright, so now we have our 5 sets of 2/3, and what do we do next?
Now we find our 3 sets of 1/5.
Good, so we already have 1 set of 1/5. How many more sets do we need?
2 more.
Good. Awesome, so we created our new sets, and what is the last thing we need to do?
We determine, combine the fractions.
We combine the fraction sets, good. So the number that we circled is going to be our new denominator, and so we're going to make rows of 15, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to use the red ones first, right? Okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and we're going to use the yellow ones as placeholders, 14 and 15. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so to get our answer, let's see how many red ones we have representing. Alright, So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So 13 pieces out of how many?
15.
15. So what is our answer?
13, 15.
Good. Can you read it? Good. Can you read that whole number sentence for me, please?
2/3 plus 1/5 equals 13/15.
Awesome. Good job.